What's up, guys? So today we're going to show you how to replace your taillights on your Jeep TJ. So I'm just going to show you guys how to take the cover off and then replace the bulb if the bulb was burnt out. And if you want to replace the whole thing, I'll just show you how to take the actual entire housing off the Jeep. So first, we're just going to get Phillips head screwdriver and take off the four screws in each corner. Helps if you carefully take a flathead and slowly, you don't want to crank on it because you can crack this plastic pretty easily. So we're going to pull it off. And I've seen sometimes where this rubber gasket will come off with this. Just keep that all together in one place. So right now we're going to show you the inside here. Up top here you have your reverse light. And then down here you have just your brake light. So to take this bulb out, all you have to do is push down slightly and rotate to the left, and then that'll pop right out. And then to put the new one in, you're just gonna, there's this little, I guess, nub on the side here, and that goes into these little slots, and you'll see. So get that kind of lined up, and then push slightly down and then turn to the right, and then you're good to go. Same idea with the top one here. Turn to the left, push it in, turn to the right. Okay, and then finally, if you want to take the whole housing out, obviously take the bulbs out, and then you're going to use a 3/8 socket. You could also use 10 mil. I put them both on, and 10 mil seems to move a little bit more, so I think 3/8 should be better. And then you're just going to undo these 3 bolts, and then the whole housing will come out. And then you can, if you're going to change up the taillight to a different style, you could do that, or just replacing the whole housing if it got cracked or something like that. So when we're all done doing whatever, you can just put the plate back on and then put the screws back in. And you're going to want to be careful with these. Don't crank this on super tight, because especially if your Jeep, these Jeeps are getting older and older, this lens could possibly crack if you screw them in too tight, or the back here. So just be careful. They don't have to be screaming tight. Just get them nice and snug, and that way you're not going to break them. So yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys, on how to either replace the bulbs in your taillight or how to take the whole taillight housing out. I originally had to take the taillight housing out to fit my LOD Expedition Series swing out tire carrier. To clear this, I had to take it off and then slide it on the post on the rear bumper. But anyway, guys, hopefully this video helped out. If it did, please give the video a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a bunch, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video.